So quite often, if you have a look, this is a modern Virgin router, and you can see here it's set up with WPA and WPA2. WPA is not secure, and if you find that your router is configured this way, you need to change it to WPA2. So it's very, very simple way of making the change. It won't cause any problems. You may need to sort of forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect, but most devices will be continuing to be connected to your Wi-Fi, and it gives you a lot more protection. There is a new standard called WPA3, so if your router is capable of WPA3, I would recommend using that instead. You may want to go for WPA2/WPA3 just in case there is devices which aren't compatible with WPA3. Also, for your Wi-Fi password, don't use something which is easily guessable. So don't use your street and your house number or your dog's name, because you call your dog's name in the garden or outside your house, and anyone around might just try and see if that's your password for your Wi-Fi. So just make sure that it is something very random. So a good way for finding out a strong password is going to an XKCD password generator online, and it will just come up with some random words which you can just put together and create a secure password.